This boat flooring uses a high quality material. Some of the features include it holds its shape, has a high tensile elongation, does not tear or damage easily, has a high resistance to fading, and has a high density. It maintains a constant temperature, making it less easy to absorb heat, and it's odorless. With a strong glue on the back made with extra super glue, it's a great non-slip self-adhesive. The EVA foam boat flooring can easily be washed with a vacuum cleaner or be pressure washed. It has a good resistance to salt water, and fully combining the ergonomic principles to the design will definitely give you an excellent experience. For installation, you can use any cutting tool to cut to any size that you need. It also includes a hand roller to apply the required pressure for adhesion. And wide applications. Very nice faux teak flooring, 5 classic colors, and 4 size choices available. It's perfect for your motorboat, RV, yacht, kayak, surfboard, swimming pool, in my case a John boat, and more.